I'm just getting ready to go out here and get my hours workout in for the day. That'll give me 12 hours for the week. That's typically my goal. And we're having some nice weather. A little warmer today, about 90 degrees. But had some sink drama earlier. Had to change out a leaking ring. Well, a cracked ring. It really wasn't leaking yet, but it was gonna leak. So I'll have a tip on a plumbing tip here later in the video. So stay tuned. Breezy out, but it isn't stopping the golfers. They're out here enjoying this nice weather. Hold it, hold it. Oh, I think it went in the lake. I shouldn't take up golfing. I hear that's an expensive sport. I think I'll stick to cycling. Do you think Marita would approve? Might be a little too big for me, I don't know. So we're here at Hickory Lane, and this is one of those roads that if you're not really paying attention, you drive right past it, but it's a very nice shortcut that takes me over to Sand Hill Road, and we're heading over to Oak Grove before we head north. But it's a pretty house over here in the woods. Anyway, just taking it easy, just enjoying the sunshine, and I am sweating a little bit, but it is 92 degrees out, so it's expected. So I just stopped at Dude's Place here, 28 miles on one bottle of water, so actually had some electrolyte in it. Very important to stay hydrated. It's definitely still warm out. Even when it's not warm, you gotta drink. So we're less than 10 miles out, so we're gonna keep on heading towards the house. Looking forward to a good dinner. So we're on Ray Sal Road, just cruising along, and I come along and find this in the road. So we're gonna do our civic duty and clear the roadway of this large branch. Glad that didn't fall while I was coming through here. That wouldn't have been good. So we just finished the ride, and we ended up with a little over 40 miles, I believe, which is a little more than I thought. But when we stopped the ride, it's going to show my recovery time on the Edge 820. And it says we've got 13 hours to recover. So I feel pretty good. I am hungry though. Hey, what you doing? Oh. Yeah, the yard's coming back.
You don't want the seats to dry out.
Them army worms really did a number on it. What were you going to do for dinner, hon?
I don't know. What are you going to do for dinner?
I don't know. I thought that's maybe why you texted me.
No, I mean, you normally text me, voice message that, I'm going out.
Did you want to go out?
Nada.
Did you want to go out to eat?
No.
All right.
We'll figure something out. Sandwich then.
Sounds good. Hey, boys. Hey, Bax. Hey, Coop. Where's the other troublemaker? So this is the The plumber's tip of the day, if you're going to change out your rings for your sink, don't go with the cheap plastic version. This is Glacier Bay. You need to use the metal version. The plastic just does not hold up. You have to torque it just correctly to get it to work. But the metal, you can torque it down and don't have to worry about it. So, lessons learned. Just want to pass that along to all you want-to-be plumbers. $70 folks for the pair. 501-286-7606. Not a bad looking sofa and a love seat. You've seen it here.